Here's another video in the Vortex shape series, and this one is going to be a hexagon. So take your strip of paper. Mine is 17 inches long and 1 centimeter wide. Take it and roll a tight coil. I'm going to expand it in a size 17 hole. Add a little glue to the end and hold it until it dries. This one can be a little bit trickier to master. Sometimes I don't quite get the shape that I'm looking for, so I have to remake it. But this one is very effective for creating, like, what do you call them, beehives in bumblebee designs. Right, so grab the center of your coil, and here's, you can see here's the edge of the piece of paper. We're going to spin it once, twice. Now let me see. Yeah, that looks pretty even. And pinch it, keeping the circle center in the middle, and make a marquise shape. Really give it a good pinch, because you need to be able to create all those creases in every single layer. So there you go, marquise shape. Now, the next shape you're making out of this is a rectangle. So forefinger and thumb from the opposite hand, hold each end with the other fourth finger and thumb, and slowly maneuver it into a rectangle shape and pinch. And just open it up there. So as you can see, that is now a rectangle. Now take it long ways on its side here, hold the center so it goes up, that shape goes up and down the way. The points are in the center of this edge, in the center of this edge. And what you're going to do is slowly bring it down, keeping it in the center, and bring those two shorter edges to meet. Give it a really good pinch. Okay, and then you're going to open it up. Don't go right to the middle, just leave a little bit there. And just maneuver it. Okay, and then grab there, and then grab the center and just give it a little maneuver like that to create your vortex. And there you have it, a vortex hexagon. So sometimes, like I said, it can be a little bit hit or miss on how the shape looks. Like I made one previously, and as you can see, this one became too spaced. The layers are too spaced in the middle, and I think that was because I didn't even out my layers enough, if you get what I'm saying. When, you know, when I spin the center to create an even spread of layers, I think I didn't do it quite enough on this one. So it really does benefit from making sure all your layers are even in your loose coil first. But yeah, if you feel that your points are not, you can go around and just, you know, sharpen up your edges. But yeah, it's giving it that spin to make all your your vortex go. But yeah, there you go, your vortex hexagon. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, and show me if you managed to create a hexagon from this tutorial. I'd love to see, and let me know which shapes you'd like to see next. See you next time. Bye.